What's up everybody? Today I can bring you a new video. I got a custom cover for my Beosound Stage in the bedroom. Don't mind the cats, they are always very interested when I install stuff here. I actually just cleaned it with all the hair because cats hair. This one is walnut, and you can get oak and you can add everything, but more into it. And I'll show you in a sec. Let's get into it. So let's start unpacking this. This is how it was sent to me. The packaging is, I would almost say, excessive. The only thing I changed about it is I took labels off, as you know. Otherwise everybody knows where we all live, and it's the internet. So yeah. This is a little package, and I'll need your comments down below, because this is actually a little cover. If you have a Beosound Stage, you know that roughly here is a giant white sticker that is kind of ugly. B&O took precautions for that, as in there is sort of a blocking thing back here. But if you make something custom, it helps if they think about everything. So I'll start unpacking that. I think it's actually just a sticker. Dear Lord! Did I mention it was made by Prestige Creators? I'll put it here, or in black here. Prestige Creators. They're based in the UK. I don't know how this whole Brexit thing is going to work, so if you're into the market for this sort of thing, and you want to be sure that you can get it, what you call it, import tax exempt, order now. And more packaging. Dear Lord, guys, the packaging is excellent. So one is sort of matte. As you can see, there's a bright light over there, so you can really tell, like, nothing gets through. And then there's this sort of plastic to cover it, and as I can tell right now, there's, my dirty fingers got on it, so don't pay attention to that. I think actually I already know I prefer this one, because this will absorb all the light. But let's get to the main stay of the wood panels, the wood covering. Again, excessive packaging, which is a good thing, because that means you can get it over the entire world and it'll arrive safely. It'll make for a longer video too. So, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet already. There we go. That is one of many steps. Let's go from the top. Hey, Biggie. Sorry, cat. And here we come. As you can see, more and more packaging. I wasn't expecting this much bubble wrap, but it makes sure it gets there in one place. I have one piece, sorry. Dear Lord. I meant to fast forward this a bit. If you're in need of some insulation for your house, let me know. I have plenty now. This is better packaged than B&O's own stuff. Honestly, B&O, people are outdoing you for long distance shipping. Bloody hell. My cats will have a toy tonight. More bubble wrap. Told you excessive packaging. Still a good thing. Rather spend more time doing this than having to call them and say it didn't arrive in one piece. Ooh, we're getting there. Moment of truth is almost upon us. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh wow. I really like this. Can you see it well? I'll take more shots later. But, ooh, that's a very nice color, guys. I really like this. This is gorgeous. It uses the same sort of way to attach magnets on a, what you call it, a plastic sort of bracket to hold all the wood together. It's actually a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. It's proper. Like, this is on par with B&O, I would say. And as you can probably see, I'll show you later a bit, but the corners are sanded down so they follow the corner in here. Wow. This is great. Yes, I wonder how this, if it does anything to sound. If anything, this is more airy than the fabric cover is. Let's get it on. Get a better camera angle of that, and yeah, just show you guys what it shows like when it's installed. Normally, one would use a puller for that sort of thing, but it's back in the box, and I forgot to leave it out. And I'm lazy. And I don't feel like getting it out from downstairs in the storage. So this is the giant speaker I mentioned, and this is where you can't really see through the B&O cover. So these are the two cover options. As you can see, one is a sort of velvety kind of thing, and this is more plastic. What do you guys think fits better? It's hard to see that or that. I can't really tell on my camera screen. See how all this black on black looks. I think I prefer this velvety black. It really absorbs all the color and it matches the rest of the frame better from the inside to my eyes. So yeah, let's put that on. I don't think you can tell that's there. And the ugly sticker is gone. Good job. So this is the walnut. It's gorgeous. I love this color. Let's see how easy it is to get on. I doubt it's very hard, but it's giving you a better look. It's nice. It's proper. Good going, guys. Yeah, like and subscribe, but also check out Prestige Creators. Links are in the description, in the first comment. Check them out. I'll also flash the price on screen at some point. I think this is worth it. This is handmade. This is gorgeous. Let's put it on. And there we have it. So now that's all put together, let's have my thoughts on it. This thing is proper gorgeous. If you can see, the edges are what you call it, sanded down, so they follow the radius of the aluminium perfectly. Like they're perfectly equidistant on all sides. It's a terrific piece of kit, great attention to detail. Like the packaging is, as you can see, a bit over the top. I mean, then again, if you go internationally and you use all that, better safe than sorry. I've heard stories before of B&O covers for like the Eclipse and whatnot coming back as a hockey puck, but or a hockey stick. I mean, like the curve like that. But this is fantastic. I really like it. I think it looks good in this color scheme as well. This is the old cover. I just cleaned it today. But one thing, I have cats. One cat loves to sleep here. And one thing I always run into is that there's, like, especially this side, there's a ton of hair on it. And there's none at all with this because there's nothing to stick to. This is great. Like, this is proper. I really like this. Yeah, everybody go look at Prestige Creators. I'll put it on screen. And let's see if it has any effect on sound, which I really doubt. And let's play something. Come on. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, this is not anywhere near max volume. TV mode, which is quite subdued. Music mode. The bass is enormous. Everything shakes and vibrates. I actually think it's a bit more airy now. So go check it out. Prestige Creators. They do an amazing job. And yeah, go follow them on the Instagram. Links are down in the description. Go visit their website, prestigecreators.co.uk, and get one for yourself. They're wonderful. They beat B&O to the punch. Great people. And yeah, see you all in the next one. I'm loving this. Bye.